Hey, welcome to the Box Tricks. In this video, I'm going to go over some common issues that you can have with a Fire Stick and how to troubleshoot those issues. If this is your first time checking us out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, if this video is helpful, please give us a like, a thumbs up, and drop us a comment below. So I want to talk about Fire Sticks. They are a good device as long as they are used what they were intended for, which is the Amazon platform. However, the Fire Sticks are compatible with other applications, including our TBT IPTV app. But in this video, we're going to go over some of the issues that you can have with the device and how to troubleshoot that. A Fire Stick is basically a compact, low-powered device that doesn't have the storage space, and they aren't really capable of top downloading speeds that you need for IPTV and other applications outside of the Amazon platform. And with this, you can definitely encounter some issues. So it is always best to invest in a dedicated device, because if you don't have a device that's sufficient enough, it's going to ruin the user's experience. We recommend Android boxes. Android boxes are very user-friendly. They are easy to navigate. They are budget-friendly. They can be connected by Wi-Fi or Ethernet. And they have a variety of operating speeds and storage. So you have a lot of different options there. If you want to check out some of the Android boxes that we recommend, you can go over to our website at www.theboxtricks.com and you can check those out. Let's go ahead and get into this video, and let's talk about some common issues that you can experience when you use a Fire Stick. The first issue that I want to go over is buffering, and we're going to talk about what is buffering, what causes buffering. All right, what is buffering? When you stream, the Fire Stick downloads basically a section of content and stores it as temporary cache. While watching that section of video content, it is loading another section of content, and then you are able to watch the next section ahead of time, as long as everything goes well and loads correctly. It produces a buffering-free experience. So basically, buffering is caused by the cached video playing before new content can download. How can you help with buffering issues? So you want to make sure that you have enough internet speed to stream, and we recommend at least 25 megabytes. To check your internet speed, you can use a different device. Go to Google. You can go to speedtest.net, and it's going to connect to your device, and it's going to tell you what your speed is. A slow internet speed can definitely impact your streaming, especially with IPTV. So you definitely want to make sure that you have enough speed to stream what you want. Is your Wi-Fi signal connection? If you have a weak Wi-Fi signal, you will definitely experience issues. You can try moving your router closer to the Fire Stick or vice versa. You can also invest in a Wi-Fi extender. And you also definitely need to be conscious about how many devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi. That is can make a definite significant impact on your streaming experience with IPTV. Also, our lovely internet providers do throttling, and basically what that is, your internet provider slows down your streaming speed intentionally. You know, that's like the most annoying cause of buffering. The way that you can try to combat that is reset your router weekly. You basically pull the power cord out of your router and wait 20 to 30 seconds, and then plug it back in and give it time to reboot and let your devices connect. It could take up to 30 seconds to 10 minutes, but it is always a good rule of thumb to reset your router weekly. You can also have hardware issues. You can have an outdated router. Most of the time, your internet provider is not going to give you top-notch router modem. So if you can, invest in a better router. It's going to be better all around. But if it's more than 2 years old, you want to call your internet provider and you want to let them know that you want to update your router. They should not charge for this. In the past, we have not been charged. So that's a good tidbit of information. Also, when using a Firestick for TBT, IPTV, do not record on it. A Firestick, it just does not have the expandable memory that you need to do recording. It will hinder the device's performance. There are actually a few things that you can do to your Firestick to increase the performance of it, and let's go ahead and go over that. So you're actually going to go into your settings, and you want to go to Applications, select it, and you want to go to Manage Installed Applications, and you want to scroll to the TBT IPTV app. When you do this, you want to go ahead and select it. Here, you want to clear data and clear cache daily. As we said, how streaming works is data is collected, it's stored temporarily as cache, and as more data is collected, you're going to get even more cache. So if you come in here and you start clearing data on your applications, it's going to start freeing up stuff and it's going to start running better. So you want to clear your data and you want to go ahead and clear your cache. And if you look right here, it's going to be 0 and your data is going to be 0. So you can start this fresh every day before you use the IPTV TBT app. Another thing that you want to be very mindful about is how many applications you have installed on here. The more applications that you put on here, the more memory it gets filled up. If you look right here, if it's almost filled up or filled up halfway, you're going to have a slow running device. So, you know, be very selective in the applications that you want to use. That can really impact how your device performs. And having excess applications is basically filling up or taking up data and filling up cache that you want, or basically that you don't want. So you can go into the applications and clear the data and clear the cache manually. Or if you're not really using that app, or if it's the games and stuff like that, uninstall it. That way, you know, if you really want your IPTV to work better, get rid of those apps. Also, you can disable data monitoring. This is a tool that keeps track of the data usage. When it's disabled, it frees up bandwidth and it frees up space. So how you disable this is you go into your settings, you select preferences, and you want to scroll to data monitoring, and you want to make sure that it is turned off. Another thing you can do is you can turn off app notifications. App notifications can definitely kill the performance of your Firestick, and it can lead to freezing and buffering issues. So how you do this is you want to go into your settings, you want to select preferences, and you want to go to notification settings, and you want to select do not interrupt and turn it off. You can go into app notifications and you can individually turn off the app notifications, but in my opinion, I think it's just easier to go ahead and turn all the notifications off. And last but not least, what I want to go over is you want to restart your Firestick. You can do this by going into settings, you select My Fire TV, and select restart. This is going to do a complete restart on your Firestick. It's going to refresh your Firestick, kind of like when you pull the plug out of your router, it's going to refresh everything. So you can select restart and select restart again, and then it's just going to go through the process of a restart. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop us a comment. And if you have any questions, again, you can reach us on Facebook, The Box Trix. You can reach us on Instagram. You can email us at theboxtrix@gmail.com. You can give us a call at 1-800-504-7971. Also, you can check out our website. We have blogs on there. We have all kinds of good information. You can go to www.theboxtrix.com. So I appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.